What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And as you can see, these are vending machines. Nothing really special about them. You know, drinks, food, snacks. But what sets these vending machines apart is the way they interact with you. So as you can see, this is the way you pay. The card reader, you slide the money, change, and dollar bills. But as you can see, this is a little different, and is on only on certain ones. But if you click on it, this is the menu, and you go to languages. Come on. You can pick what language you want it to talk to you in. So let's hit. Let's just hit one of these. This one. Okay. So now you go back. You hit this. Push to start. Dude, that's a different language. That is awesome. Okay. Okay, now we go to another one. Okay, and let's go to Dutch. And we exit out. Press right here. Push to start. Bitte gewünschtes Produkt wählen. Dude, that is freaking awesome. I wanted to show you guys that because maybe you've never seen this before, but these are upgraded recently. And yeah, they're pretty cool. I love technology, man. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I see you guys on the next one. Peace out.